soils. One exception, Kiefer, lost the personal battle, the war raging inside himself. In civilian life, a man like Kiefer might never have been put to the test. His true nature could have remained hidden. But war uprooted and revealed the rotten core of the man. Combat does this. It intensifies all a man's faculties, dramatizes and exaggerates his strengths and his weaknesses. Under heavy fire in combat, man's true nature is stripped. The point is, I think, that a man will not be strong enough to face any really critical situation unless he has the right equipment. And the most modern weapons are not enough. He must be armed with moral strength as well. This, then, is the story of a man who, though carrying the finest in military equipment, was not